for my project that I shown to you before my exam finished. Guess what? It is here. Go and download it from itch.io. This game consists of achievement, one being the pro and one being the noob. If your health bar is below 300 while winning game, you will get a achievement called noob, else you will get a achievement called pro. As you can see right here, child repeatedly also rate this game 7.5 out of 10 in an intermediate project. So I think I have worked really hard to make this game. So I'm going to demonstrate this project to all of you. Thank you. It is here somewhat the center of this zip file. So okay. Help, the garden is in danger. You have to click space to continue. Arrow keys to attack, what to do. Use money to heal amp on speed and full punch the garden. Okay, as you can see, let's go back to our app. When you heal, use your money. And once your money is completely, you can heal your SP. As you see my SP down and once I heal money, I can press M and restore my SP. And if I'm restored, so if my money is on and I press N, the speed will increase. So my money is currently 175, so if I press here and my speed is here. So this is a very good game and it also consists of many achievements. So I got the rare achievement, the pro. So you can see this is a very good game. So thank you and go and install it.